everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to install Android inside of our VirtualBox. So first you need to come to that website, which is android-86.org. Then click on download from FOSSHub. After that I'm going to click on Android 64-bit ISO. It actually depends on what bit your computer is. So my PC is 64-bit, that's why I'm going to click on that. So here you can see it is now downloading. So after completion of download, you will get a file like that. Don't click on it, you need to open VirtualBox. So after opening the VirtualBox, I'm going to click on new. Then I'm going to type like Android 1 hacking. Then we need to select type is Linux, and here we need to select other Linux 64-bit. Then next, base memory should be 2000, processor should be at least 2, but I'm giving it 3. Then next, 8 GB is okay. Then next, finish. So after that, it's not finished guys, we need to click on settings and do some configuration. So first of all, we need to click on system. So here I'm going to select acceleration and then click on KVM. After that, go to display, video memory full, then graphics controller should be VBox SVGA. Then everything is fine. Then go to storage and then click on empty. Then click here and choose a disk file. So you need to click the path from here to there. So here is already showing. I'm going to click on open and OK. So again, the setting is system, processor, acceleration should be KVM, the display should be full, and VBox is VGA, and also tick here. OK. So I'm going to click on start now. So here you can see right now it is installing, and I'm going to type go to advanced option and then auto installation. Yes. It can take some time, please be patient. Run Android. So here you can see it has been started. So that's how you can install Android on your VirtualBox.